How to put a picture behind text in Microsoft Word. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily put any picture that you insert in Microsoft Word behind text. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's begin. So here I have a random Word document. So what I'm going to do first is insert a picture. You can either do it from your device or you can upload a picture from online. So if you choose this device, it will open up your device gallery. And if you choose online, you can choose pictures from online. I'm just going to click on this device right here. Head over to my desktop where I have few images. I'm just going to select this random image. So as you can see, I've inserted this image. What you need to do now is head over to picture format right here on the top of your screen. And from here on wrap text, click on this drop down. And from here, you're just going to select behind text. What this will do is it will send this picture behind your text where it will act as your text background so that you can select it and edit it as your background. So if you extend this so that it fits on your screen, then it will act as your picture's background. So that's how you basically put a picture on the background behind text. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.